This Austin home was built in 1925, 100 years ago. Austin Roofing Contractors installed a zinc roof that will likely last the next 100 years. Zinc is a great choice to use in applications like this. Its natural patina creates an oxide layer that protects the zinc's exposure to the elements. This patina amazingly provides a neutral gray look that is pleasing and enhances the architectural appeal. Historic roofing has many lessons for us, and at Austin Roofing Contractors we try to embrace the old, yet look to the future to find ways that will enhance what we have learned from the past. By using zinc the way leaded sheet metal was once used, we are merging the past with the future. Whillock, Master Roofer, Austin Roofing Contractors.